In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix pause reels option not working on Instagram. So whenever you're watching the reels, if you tap on it, it will be paused. In the latest version, you just have to single tap. In the older version, you might have to press and hold in order to pause it. But if you're not being able to pause the reels, there might be various reasons behind it. The primary reason is that your application is not updated to the latest version. So what you have to do is open the Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Instagram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply find the option for Instagram and tap on it. Now once you do that, tap on the option update and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Instagram. Sometimes there might be glitch caused because of the cache. So for that, open the app library of your device, find the application for Instagram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. After you do that, tap on this option clear cache. Now once you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix pause reels option not working on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.